In this video, you will discover one of the most powerful and unique services Human Factor offers: the ability to customize already existing tracks and modify them to fit your project as if it were a custom score. Much of the music in the library was created in-house. This means we have the original files, and therefore we can modify them to fit your project perfectly. Let's take a look. There are two really easy ways to limit your search to just customizable tracks. The first is to simply type the word customizable into the search field. Then lock the search and continue the search as you normally would. To save time, you can use one of our quick search shortcuts. Click Customizable Tracks, and then when the results appear, click the lock. Notice all the customizable tracks will have the word customizable in the description field. Let's look at a few real examples where our clients took advantage of the customization feature. In this advertisement, the producers were looking for a very peppy, upbeat song under their video. They listened to a few tracks and they thought this one might have the right energy. But the instrumentation was a bit busy for the dialogue. They also had certain cues they wanted the music to hit, like a pause here,
pecans and green apple slices.
And they wanted horns to end the spot.
Sophie salad for $6.99.
Since they chose a customizable track, with one call to Human Factor, we opened up the session and simply modified the music to fit the picture. Now the track is simplified.
You're not loving your chicken, your blue cheese, and your raspberry vinaigrette?
The pause is met.
Pecans and green apple slices.
Words can't describe the salad created.
The horn, space, and guitar are all dialed back to make room for the dialogue.
Daily. SaladWorks, America's best salads. Stop by SaladWorks today and create your own salad, or for a limited
And the end cue is in place.
Salad for $6.99.
Of course, that was a very basic example. This next project I'll demo is a bit more complex. In the promo, the producers knew they had a section where they really wanted to rock out. So they started by listening to some of the customizable tracks and picked one they knew had the right feel. We dropped it in at the point where they wanted the rock and roll to begin, at the history logo. Then we created the first 15 seconds of the promo in the same key as the library track to build tension to that point. So it all meshed together like a custom score. Seamless. We needed to customize the track a bit to hit the exact cue points. And we wanted to make the end very exciting and really build up. So we added a little electric slide guitar to give the ending more punch. The next part of this campaign was a very high-end promo for a theatrical trailer. The idea was to have a knife shot through a rope and a bag of coins, then become a bullet which is shot through an ace of spades to transform into an arrow. The score called for a tension-building drone and lots of cool sound effects, all in 5.1. But they needed a branded sound that they started with the first promo. So we went back to our customizable library track. First, we locked the music to the logo. And then we customized the drone to match the key of the track. Added in the sound effects. Then to make it a theatrical release, we mixed it into 5.1. The whole process was sped up because the client knew exactly what they were getting right from the start.